Hi, everybody. My name is Denine Rogers, and this is your Living Healthy Moment. Today's topic is sauerkraut. Sauerkraut combines one of the healthiest foods on the planet, which is cabbage, with one of the most healthiest forms of processing, which is fermentation. Fermentation simply refers to the ancient technique of preparation and preservation in which food is naturally processed by microorganisms such as bacteria that will break down carbohydrates and protein into food. Live active cultures in sauerkraut helps to control inflammation, improve digestion, and absorption of nutrients better. For more information, check out the Living Healthy website at www.livinghealthy1.org, or you can give us a call at 678-741-5338. And this was your Living Healthy Moment.